Have you ever stopped to think if all vegetables are really suitable for maintaining a healthy diet in old age? Commonly considered as pillars of a balanced diet, some of these vegetables may actually pose health risks to the elderly. In today's video, we will explore a vital topic: the vegetables that surprisingly should be avoided or consumed in moderation by those who wish to maintain robust health. We are committed to providing valuable information so you can make informed dietary decisions, ensuring not only longevity but quality of life in your golden years. Many of us believe that all vegetables are beneficial without exception, but it's important to recognize that, due to specific health conditions or medication interactions, some can be harmful. Today, we will reveal the 7 vegetables that require special attention. So, stay with us until the end of the video to learn which of these foods might be negatively impacting your health and discover alternatives for safe and healthy consumption. Vegetable 1. Let's start our list with eggplant, a vegetable widely used in various cuisines around the world. Known for its unique texture and versatile flavor, eggplant is often praised for its low-calorie content and high antioxidant levels. However, it can be problematic for seniors suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. The reason for this is the presence of solanine, a substance that in some people can worsen inflammatory states. For those already dealing with joint inflammation, excessive consumption of eggplant can exacerbate pain and discomfort. Although it is not necessary to completely eliminate it from the diet, it is prudent to moderate its consumption and be attentive to the body's signals. By making informed choices, we can continue to enjoy the benefits of vegetables while protecting our health. Vegetable 2. In our second position, we find spinach, a leafy green vegetable rich in vitamins and minerals. Although spinach is often celebrated for its nutritional content, it also contains high levels of oxalates. These compounds can be problematic for seniors prone to developing kidney stones. Oxalates can bind with calcium in the body, contributing to the formation of kidney stones in people susceptible to this condition. For seniors who may already face challenges with hydration and kidney function, it is important to consume spinach in moderation. A balanced diet, including a variety of vegetables, can help mitigate these risks. Maintaining balance is essential, and understanding how foods interact with our health conditions is crucial. Vegetable 3. Next on our list is tomato, a favorite in salads and sauces. While tomatoes are rich in lycopene and other beneficial antioxidants, they may not be suitable for all seniors, especially those dealing with gastrointestinal issues such as acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Tomatoes are naturally acidic, which can irritate the lining of the esophagus and increase the sensation of heartburn. For people who already suffer from reflux, consuming tomatoes can worsen symptoms, making it a frequent discomfort. It is important for those affected by GERD to monitor their diet and consider reducing acidic foods. This does not mean completely eliminating tomatoes, but finding a balance that does not compromise well-being. Vegetable 4. The fourth vegetable on our list is beetroot, known for its vibrant red color and sweet earthy flavor. While beetroot is valued for boosting endurance and improving blood flow, it has a high natural sugar and oxalate content, which may not be ideal for all seniors. For those with diabetes or monitoring their blood sugar levels, excessive consumption of beetroot can lead to undesirable glycemic spikes. Additionally, like spinach, beetroot is rich in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. The key is to enjoy beetroot in moderation and in combination with other low glycemic vegetables. This way, it is possible to enjoy its benefits safely. Vegetable 5. Next, we have artichoke, a vegetable often appreciated for its unique flavor and digestive health benefits. However, artichoke contains insoluble fibers that can be difficult to digest for seniors with gastrointestinal conditions, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. For those suffering from IBS, consuming artichoke can cause bloating, abdominal discomfort, and changes in bowel patterns. It is important for people with digestive sensitivities to consider the impact of insoluble fibers in their diet and make adjustments as necessary. Balance and attention to the body's reactions are key when including artichokes in the diet. There are various ways to prepare and consume this vegetable to minimize its negative effects. Vegetable 6. The penultimate vegetable we highlight is bell pepper, available in various colors and widely used in many recipes. While it is an excellent source of vitamin C and antioxidants, bell pepper may not be suitable for seniors with digestive sensitivities or food allergies. Some people may find it difficult to digest bell peppers, leading to discomfort such as gas, bloating, or even diarrhea. Additionally, compounds present in bell peppers can trigger allergic reactions in susceptible individuals, manifesting as skin rashes or respiratory issues. For those experiencing such symptoms, it is prudent to limit the consumption of bell peppers or opt for preparation methods that reduce their irritating potential. By paying attention to the body's reactions, we can enjoy the benefits of this vegetable without compromising well-being. Vegetable 7. We conclude our list with kale, a superfood that has gained popularity for its impressive nutritional profile. However, for seniors with thyroid conditions, such as hypothyroidism, excessive consumption of kale can be concerning due to the presence of goitrogenic compounds. These compounds can interfere with thyroid hormone production, especially when consumed in large quantities and raw. This can exacerbate symptoms of fatigue, weight gain, and cold sensitivity in individuals with thyroid disorders. This does not mean kale should be completely avoided, but rather consumed with knowledge of its effects. Cooking kale can help reduce the levels of these compounds, making it a safer option for those with thyroid concerns. We have explored the 7 vegetables that, despite their nutritional benefits, require caution when included in the diet of the elderly. From eggplant and its potential inflammatory effects, through spinach and its oxalates, to kale and its implications for the thyroid, each vegetable presents unique characteristics that can influence health in unexpected ways. It is crucial to remember that in the quest for a healthy diet, balance and variety are indispensable allies. By being aware of the potential impacts of these vegetables, you can make more informed choices, ensuring your diet positively contributes to your overall well-being. Additionally, consider the possibility of consulting a nutritionist to tailor your food choices according to your individual health needs. Finally, we would love to hear your experiences and suggestions. Leave your comments below and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to continue receiving valuable health and nutrition tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, more balanced life.